Plastic took about 1,000 years to decompose in the landfills. Thus, the researchers introduced method of converting plastic waste into available energy resources.
Fundamental of pyrolysis, a common technique used to convert plastic waste into energy in the form of solid, liquid and gaseous fuels. It used thermodegradation of plastic waste at different temperatures, which is between 300 until 900 degrees Celsius with absence of oxygen to produce liquid oil. Six types of plastic used in pyrolysis process, which are: first is polyethylene terephthalate (PET). The example of PET are ketchup bottles, soft drinks, and microwavable food trays, and many more. Second is high-density polyethylene (HDPE). It used as packaging product for short-shelf products such as milk packaging, water, juice, cosmetic, shampoo and detergents. Third is polyvinyl chloride, known as PVC. Some of the examples of the end product for this PVC are pipes, window frames, cable insulation, carpet and flooring. So fourth is low-density polyethylene, LDPE. So some of the examples of the end product for LDPE are wash bottle, tubing, and dispensing bottles. So next is polypropylene, known as PP, and the last one is polystyrene, known as PS. This material we found lot especially at the restaurant as it used as food packaging.
Pyrolysis treatment, waste management subject. Let's go. Pyrolysis reactor, used to generate fuel oil from waste plastics by converting it into energy in form of solid, liquid and gases. Pyrolysis is a thermal degradation of materials with absence of oxygen by using different high temperatures depending on the desired amount of bio-oil or gas. Three types of pyrolysis reactions, which are pyrolysis, slow pyrolysis, flash pyrolysis and fast pyrolysis. Step in pyrolysis process. First, without excessive temperature variation, the plastic will healing evenly to a narrow temperature. Second, oxygen was purged from pyrolysis chamber. Third, carbonaceous byproduct were managed before it acts as thermal insulator and the heat transfer to plastic was reduced. Fourth, pyrolysis vapor was condensed and fractionated carefully to produce distillate of good quality and consistency. The efficiency of pyrolysis technology. First, process of pyrolysis able to produce high amount of liquid oil up to 80% at moderate temperature around 500 Celsius. Second, pyrolysis method is very flexible since the process parameter can be manipulated to optimize the product yield based on preference. The oil produced from biomass pyrolysis has received positive notice as a more environmentally friendly fuel. Fourth, pyrolysis are much easier compared to recycling the plastic waste. And fifth, pyrolysis method is more desirable and relevant for converting plastic waste into valuable energy resources.
Here are the characteristics of liquid fuel produced. First, it contains high calorific value that can increase its efficiency. Next, proper ignition temperature to make easier to burn. And also, moderate rate of combustion. Liquid fuel did not produce poisonous product during combustion, which can cause pollution to the environment. And also, it is easy to handle and enable to transport all around the world. Other than that, it needs higher octane number to increase the resistance against detonation. And lastly, it requires high volatility in carburetor as combustible air and fuel mixture needed to run the engine.